everyone. Okay, shall we get started? So today is another 30-minute workout, toning session more or less today. So less of the cardio, but more just concentrating on some movements. Okay, so let's warm up. Okay, so wide stance. You're gonna do big wide squats. You can do circles with our arms as well. Okay, and rotate our head. So we do a half semicircle. Okay, let's bring our arms out. Do little circles. And back and forth. So just nice and warm, warming up our muscles, ready to go. Let's go down to the pulse squat. So just hold it here, wide squat. Turn our arms in and out. And bring your arms in and out. Hold it here. Stretch out the chest. And march on the spot. Okay, side squat. So step out to the side. So remember, when we're squatting, you can turn your feet slightly outwards. Squeeze your both cheeks together on the way up. Okay, and star jumps. Okay, let's go back to squats, but this time we're going to put a knee up. So knee up. Okay, and twist to the side. Open our line to stretch down. Okay, so side lunge. So try and keep our core back straight. Okay, let's move to the side, do a lunge. So go down to a lunge, and then straighten up our back leg as well. then walk it round. Do it the other way. Down to lunge. Straighten the legs. Okay, back to the centre. Let's big circles. So this is a bit of all body toning. So we need to make sure we warm up all our bodies before we get started. So it'll be 30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest. Okay, rotate the shoulders backwards. And forwards. Okay, down to this position. Let's stretch our backs a bit. The other side. Okay, shake it all out. Take a quick drink if you need one. Make sure you've got enough space. Deep breaths as well. Just put the music up slightly. Okay, are we ready? So first one is we're going to be doing side lunges into a kick. Okay, so side lunge into a kick. Are you ready? In 30 seconds, we'll do it, okay? Let's have a quick practice if you need. If you feel like you can't do the kick, just bring it out, bring your knee up slightly. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So keep going. Kick as high as you can. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay. Next one, we go to the other side. So lateral lunge. Yeah. And kick out. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. So well done. Good work. So remember, if you're getting tired, just bring your knee up slightly here. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. 30 seconds rest, deep breaths in. Remember, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Breaths in and out if you need to. Right, next movement, we're going to do hands on ears, okay, or behind the head. We're going to rotate into a side lunge, okay, so we're going to go down, opposite side. If that's too much and you don't want to do the twist, just stick into doing continuous lunges. Okay, are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, and lunge. Keep going. Last 10. Okay, last 10 seconds. We're just going to hold the pulse, okay? So just bounce here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch side. To the side, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Shake it all out, okay? So I'm going to do a little cardio burst with you now. So it's going to be 1 minute work, just 1 minute of burpees, okay? So burpees, chest to the floor, all the way down, bounce back up, clap above the head. If that's too much, just step it out. Same thing, okay, as long as you're moving. So 1 minute work, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we'll get our heart racing. Definitely warm us up now. So keep going. Last 20 seconds. Push it through. Slow it down if you have to. Last 10. 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Good one. Right then, next one, wide stance, okay? You're gonna go big squats. So you're gonna go pulsing, up and out. I'll practice breather first. Okay, 10 seconds, let's go, okay? Squat pulses. To make it easier for yourself, turn your feet to face outwards a little bit. Are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. You can move your arms as well if you want. I'll just hold it here, that's fine as well. Little bounces. Heels up as well if you can. Keep that heels up. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Whoa. Shake it out if you're feeling that burn. Okay, next up, we are going full squats, okay? Working our legs. 30 seconds of squats, then we'll straight into back lunges. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Back straight, bum to the floor. So remember, if you're feeling strong today, you can advance it to a jumping squat. You can slow it down. It's your body, you know how you're feeling today. All we know is you'll feel better after doing some exercise. Feel good Friday. Last 5. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay. We are going into back lunges. So back lunges, but into skater position. So back before, so it goes past my current leg, my planted leg, my other one goes behind, like I'm skating on ice. From here, I kick out on the way back in. So pretend you're kickboxing. So down, use your power, kick through. So we'll stick to one leg first. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. And kick. And kick. If this is too much, just do the back squat. That's fine. Back lunge even, sorry. And kick. And kick. Last 10 on this leg. Keep moving. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and switch. Okay, let's go to the left leg. Plant your right one. Skater position. Kick out. Ready? In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Kick out. Kick out. Kick out. Big kicks if you can. Higher the better. Okay, last 10. Slow it down if you have to. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, so next one, we've got the cardio burst, cardio skate jumps, okay? So 1 minute again on the clock. Skate jumps, exactly what we just did, but without the kick, okay? We're back and forth as quickly as we can. Or at your pace, it's up to you. Right then, are we ready? Deep breaths, remember. Whew, it's pretty warm in this room today. I've got a sweat on. Okay, ready in 3, 2, 1, let's skate. So try and look forward, keep your head up, focus on a point if it's easier. Can't slow it down. As long as you're still doing the movement, that's fine. Are we ready? 10 more seconds. Work it out, work it out. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, and rest. Okay, have a breather. Minute's rest. Then we move on to a bit of mat work. Okay, on the floor. We're gonna go push-ups to down dog, okay? So from here, push up, into down dog, touching our feet. Take your time, okay? Make sure you've got control. Don't rush it. It's better to have the technique correct rather than number of reps. So just take your time. If you're struggling to do a full press up, do exactly the same, down to your knees, okay? From here, rest to touching your feet. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So if it's hard, go down to your knees, exactly the same movement, and back up. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, next exercise is Supermans. Okay, so we've done these before. We lie on the front. Hands, head, and feet come up off the floor. Raise the hands to the back of your head. Lift, feet and head together. We'll do that for 30 seconds. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay, last 10. So hold it there if you can. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, everyone. Make sure you have a drink. Next one is going to be the table lift, okay? So you're going to go on our backs. With my hands pointing towards my bottom, okay? Shoulders, feet shoulder width apart. We're going to lift my bum up to make a table. Are we ready? 30 seconds work, you get 30 seconds rest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's table. If that's too much, lift as far as you can. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Okay, same thing again. Glute bridges, okay? So this time, shoulders and feet stay on the floor. You just lift your bum up from the floor, yeah. Okay, so squeeze your bum cheeks together. You feel that stretch in the glutes. You ready? In 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So drive through your heels as well, okay? So push with the heels, push your bum up to the air. So last 10 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, and rest. Well done. Okay, next one. We're going to do the glute bridges again, but we're going to lift our leg up this time. Okay, so same thing again. But this time, if you can, lift your leg up as well in a straight line. Okay, so you're trying to push that ceiling up with your foot. We'll switch halfway as well. So 15 seconds on one leg, then we'll switch to the other. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's push. If that's too much for you, cross it over your knee, just do the same movement. Okay, and switch legs. Cross it over if it's too much. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done. Shake your legs out. Okay, this one. Next one is going to be crunches. Some nice sit-ups. Okay, so from here, lift your chest and shoulders off the floor. Just crunch it out. So if you feel it tight here, bring it back down again. Okay, so 30 seconds of crunches. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, team. Okay, next one is going to be side crunch, okay? So exactly the same, crunch position, just we bring both knees onto the floor to the side of us. We're working our obliques, so push them to the side, curl up, crunch up, exactly the same as before. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's crunch. Okay, switch sides and keep crunching. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job, everyone. Right, we are going plank next. So plank position, elbows on the floor, feet shoulder width apart, hold your body dead straight. Keep your spine in a line, keep your core tight, keep focused, okay? So pick a point, you can look up, keep your body straight. Are we ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the plank. You can bounce back and forth if you feel like it. Dance to the beat. We ready? Last 10. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Woo! Feeling that in my core. Okay, we go again, okay? So we'll do another plank, but this time we'll move our hips as well. So from here, elbows down again, so you can twist the hips all the way to the floor. Okay, ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we're keeping our core and feet in place, we're just moving our hips, okay? Rotating them around to the side. If it's too much, you can still do it on your knees. Okay, last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Okay, next one is going to be the last one for today. So it's going to be a side plank. So it could be a T shape if you feel like it. So start from this. If you're feeling more confident, have your arm in the air, do the letter T, and hold that. Are we ready? In 3, 2, 1, let's T plank. And switch sides. Last 15 seconds, guys. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Well done, everyone. Take some deep breaths in, have some water, and then take a seat back on the mat. Soles of the feet together. Just rock from side to side. Good job today. Not as energized as usual, but I thought toning is just as good. I've got a sweat on anyway. Okay. Open your legs out, stretch to one side. Okay, walk it round. The other side. Okay, on our mats. Let's start from here. Arch our backs. I always get this wrong. Is it the happy cat or the angry cat? Oh, this is the angry cat, isn't it? Okay, sit back to the child's pose. Into the forward, into the cobra. Okay, stretch back again. Okay, it's a down dog. Walk it out backwards. Roll back up. Okay, deep breaths to finish. And out. In. And out. Well done. Diane pal.